Hi guys, welcome to another episode of Kitchen Survival, and this week we bring you a special. It is the 3-ingredient cook-off. The 3 ingredients I'm going to choose this week are chicken, peas, and flour. You may be asking yourself, what, Alex, exactly is the 3-ingredient cook-off? Now, I actually came up with the idea with my friend Colin. Here is his channel. And basically, we're challenging each other to come up with unique recipes using these 3 ingredients as the stars of the show. So, for me, I decided to challenge Colin with chicken, flour, and peas. Now, he's going to make a response video, and then he'll choose what the 3 ingredients are. Now, if you want to participate in this cook-off, go ahead and send me an email at kitchensurvivalquestions@gmail.com. Or if you don't feel like doing that, leave a comment down below or even message me on YouTube. You can reach me almost anywhere. There are a few very simple rules to this. 1, we may not copy each other's recipes. The recipe today I'm going to be making is chicken and dumplings. Colin may not make anything like chicken and dumplings. He's challenged to come up with something with his unique perspective. 2, the recipe must be the star of the dish. It can't be a garnish or something that's kind of off to the side. So if I challenge Colin to use peas and all he does is put them on a plate uncooked, that's not gonna necessarily count. And the 3rd and last rule is to enjoy yourself and get as many people involved as possible. So that's why I'm reaching out to you guys to see if anyone's interested in doing this as well. Like I was saying earlier, the recipe I chose to do this week is chicken and dumplings. It's a recipe my grandmother made all the time. This is not going to be my grandmother's recipe. Unfortunately, I only ever watched her and begged her to make it. I never actually got the recipe for this before she passed, so I do not have her original recipe. I do have some clues as to what it might be, however. For example, she liked to take chicken pieces. Chicken legs were on sale this week, so I decided to use those, and she'd brown them on the bottom of the pan. Oh, and she also really liked to use Bisquick. Now, a very important property of Bisquick that is very different from regular flour is baking powder. Yes, if you're wondering why those delicious pancakes end up being so fluffy, it is because they have baking powder in them. So the ingredients for this recipe are going to be onion, carrot, celery, flour, peas, chicken stock or turkey stock or bouillon, depending on what you have, chicken, which is pretty freaking important, 3 teaspoons of salt, and a couple teaspoons of pepper. Oh, and of course, don't forget, you're going to need 1.5 teaspoons of baking powder as well. The hardware for this is a heavy bottom pot with a lid. Lid is very, very important. And we're also going to use a wooden spoon, a large bowl, and a lot of space. I'm gonna go ahead and put on my gear. Let's get started. is chicken and dumplings. Now I gotta say, looks nothing like my grandmother's. I think that she had more of a gravy, so maybe next time I make it, I'll put some flour in the stock. However, I don't know if I can be exactly the greatest judge of taste, so I have my mystery hand here. Mystery hand? Okay, thanks. And she's gonna go ahead and try this, so here you go. Ooh, okay, so it's pretty good. Anyway, thank you so much for joining me today. If you have any comments, questions, concerns, please leave a comment down below. Thumbs up or don't. I'm not your mom. Oh, don't forget about the subscribe button. You know, every little, thumbs up, ding, ding, ding. Every little subscribe helps. I'm going to go ahead and link to Colin's episode once he makes that. And if any of you feel like you're ready for the 3-ingredient cook-off, just let me know and I will go ahead and CC you in all those emails. Okay, thank you. Bye.